Mastering everyday fitness exercise, workout at home. When executed correctly, using just your body weight can give you a run for your money. So, whether the gym isn't your thing or you're short on time, clear out a space in the living room and prepare to sweat. Bodyweight moves we've detailed below can be scaled for beginner, intermediate, and advanced exercisers, so start where you feel ready and progress from there. 1. Push-up. A great exercise that will assist you with developing your pectoral fortitude. This, yet additionally helps in building your back, chest, and arm strength. You can rehearse this whenever, any place. Workout 60 seconds. 2. Pull up. Pull up is the exercise that is always mentioned in the list of gym tips since it is an inseparable part of the exercise routine. It is ultimately beneficial for building a strong body. It works on inner strength and core too. So, build a pull-up bar at your home and make the most out of it. 3. Jump rope. Return to your youth days for a fitter body. Working out with rope is a staggering home exercise that is far more straightforward and better than your rec center schedules. This activity heightens your pulse and deals with your lower arms and calves. 4. Body weight squats. A squat is the base of all lower body exercises. It determines how well you walk, run, jump or lunge. Usually, people take this exercise lightly, but trust me, it's not everyone's cup of tea. Many fail, so you need to get this right to build a strong foundation for your lower body. 5. Walking lunges. Strolling thrusts is an extraordinary weapon that chips away at creating thigh muscles and fortifying the hips. It likewise hopes to fortify your hams, quads, glutes, lower back. So, make proper acquaintance with further developed center strength. 6. Jogging in place. Jogging can be done in a stationary position too. Now the question arises how it will benefit us. These are the best recommended home exercises that will put gym tips to shame. It just increases the heart rate and is considered amongst the best warm-up exercises. Seven. Bicycle crunch. Lie on your back and carry your legs to a tabletop position. Twist your elbows, and put your hands behind your head. Mash up and carry your right elbow on your left side knee, fixing your right leg. Discharge the crunch marginally. Twist your right leg and fix your left leg, then, at that point, carry your past on the elbow to your right knee. Rehash for the ideal number of reps. Eight. Plank to downward dog. Get into a high plank position, with your hands stacked underneath your shoulders and your feet close together. Keeping your core engaged and your hands and feet stationary, pike your hips up and back into the downward dog pose. Your body should form a triangle with the ground. Keep your neck neutral. Your gaze should be directed toward your feet. Hold here for a second, then return to the plank. Repeat. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.